Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So I just got back from Aldi's, and before I put my stuff away, I thought I'd show you what I got. So let's see, let's jump into it, guys. So I went in to buy a couple of packages of meats, so let me just show you. So this one here, look how huge those cutlets are. So this one here, package was $9. So you get 1, 2, 3, you get 4 huge ones. So I got one of those. I needed to buy some meat items. Okay, so here's the other one. And that one also has, look at this huge one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was $10.32. Okay. And then, I don't know all the prices by heart. I don't know what happened to the receipt, but this was probably like $1.29. So I always get the syrup there. And the pancake mix, but everything's kind of mixed up. So here are some spices, here's some garlic powder, and then some oregano. These are 95 cents at Aldi's. Okay, just so you know. I hope you guys are having a good day. All right, so let me show you these steaks in case I don't see the receipt. So I think I lost it. So this one is eye round. See the size of that? It's a nice looking steak. Okay, so black Angus eye of round steak. And if you could see here, what a great price this is. This is $5.38. I think it's a good price. I thought it was for where I live. So, and then this is black Angus cube steak. See, you got a nice amount in there, and this is $5.05. I don't know if you could see that right there. So that was pretty good. Like I said, I needed to stock up on a little bit of these things, so this one is the same thing. This is the eye round steak. So this one was $5, guys, right here. And it's a nice size steak. I think so. All right. And moving on to this one, that's also another steak, and this one was $5.38. So I got like 4 steaks, 3 steaks and 1 package of the cube steak, and then 2 big packages of the chicken cutlet. So that's what we got here. Let me move this over so I can show you the rest. I should have had this out of the bag. Now I do stock up on my bread there because they're the only place that I can get keto bread without ordering it online. So this is just regular bread. One of my sons eats this. And then this is the pancake mix. And the pancake mix was like $1.29. So I get the pancake mix and the syrup from there. I only needed like 2 macaroni and cheese because it's only one of the boys that likes this, and these are only 37 cents. It's not bad when you want to do something quick for them. Also, I like the 2 Goods yogurt from my local store, but Aldi's is carrying it now. These are expensive. It's like $1.22 at Aldi's. So I like vanilla, so I can put fruit and stuff in it, but $1.22 at Aldi's if you like 2 Goods. So I'm watching my carbs, so that's why I get certain things. So this is called Happy Harvest, and I just got 2 cans of sweet corn. Like I said, to throw something together quickly for one of them, works great. And now I got the Happy Farm singles, American singles. That's also for one of my sons. They have solid white tuna fish. And I don't know, I think this one was 79 cents for the solid whites. So I got 2 cans of those. Then I also get my cream from there. I wish they had a larger size, but I gotta buy it like that. Okay, so this is the heavy cream, and this is $1.29. Oh, I'm sorry, this is $1.10. So I grabbed 2 because they don't have a bigger size. So we got that. Now, the reason why I stock up on the bread is because normally these breads go quicker. So let me show you. So this is all keto, and I freeze it so it stays fresh. So let me just show you the keto stuff first. And I've tried these buns, absolutely love them, and they don't have an aftertaste and they don't taste weird. Even the texture, you can see the texture is very nice. And they just came out with the hamburger rolls. I know the bagels are out, but I haven't seen those. So I got 2 of the hamburger buns keto, because my other son and I eat that. And then we have the sliced bread, and the sliced bread is very good too. So I think this is a multi-grain. This is, yeah, multi-seed bread keto. Okay, now this I think is $3.99 a loaf. I think it's worth it. Now this is new. They didn't used to have, they didn't used to have this, the white bread, but now they do. And that's that yellow label. So the multi-grain is this orange label. The wheat is the red label. And now they have the white. So these are $3.99 each. So I got 2 of the white, 1 of the multi-grain, and 2 of the buns. And like I said, I freeze it so it stays fresh. Just in case they run out, I have some frozen. So now I got some bagels, regular bagels, and this is, like I said, for one of my boys. So I got that. And then, of course, my oldest son. You know, if you're gonna buy chips, you're really better off buying it there. This was $1.10. So he just keeps this in his room. I don't even care where he keeps it, so long as I don't have to buy it at the local store. The local store is $4. I can buy 4 bags for $4. And they taste the same. At least that's what he says. And then I got 2 dozen of the large eggs, and that was pretty much my haul. And like I said, this I know cost me like $85. I don't know the prices all by heart, but I gave you what I did know, and I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I hope you're having a good day. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day. Bye.